Wow, welcome. Let's talk about TERRA Classic LUNC. Now, AI says that TERRA Classic will reach $10. LUNC will reach $10. This is amazing. Now, for me, you know that some of this AI calculation is different from human calculation because AI normally check based on the burning of TERRA Classic. AI also check the kind of market cap that is flowing in, and then they also check if TERRA Classic, let's say, is burning about 250 million coins, or sometimes, most times, in fact, if it's a period when TERRA Classic must have burned huge amount of coin. Let's assume like the beginning of the month when Binance normally burn TERRA Classic coin, and imagine Binance burning about 5 billion coins of TERRA Classic, and which always happen just once in a month. Sometimes might not even reach up to 2 billion or 1 billion. So that period, if you use AI tools to check TERRA Classic price prediction, AI might be saying that okay, this coin is burning about 5 billion coins. Okay, now it simply means there is an average burning of about 5 billion in a single day. AI will be calculating over 150 billion burns in a month. So with such calculation, AI will always give you a high value for the coins. So for me, seeing AI predicting $10 price for TERRA Classic, I was like, wow. But definitely I know that TERRA Classic needs to hit 1 cent. For TERRA Classic can even reach 1 cent, they need to burn over trillions. Okay, not to talk of $10 price from AI. So I still believe that, well, anyhow it is, let's hope. And I also believe that TERRA Classic will still rise, but I also believe there is a possibility for $10 in the future if they can burn out all the supply they have. Yes, there's a possibility that they can burn out all this coin and also have hit $10 in the future. But remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.